Hey guys, it's back with All Sphere Zero, and today we're going to be reviewing a piano I found at a yard sale, and it's an MS30 Kawai keyboard. I didn't see any videos on YouTube about this because I was looking for a tutorial because it was broken, but I fixed it. Other than this key don't work, but the rest of it does work. So it seems like there's an option that comes with just this one piano, which is this. Oh yeah. These keys, I think from this one to this one, it gives off like a different vibe. Like, let's say a higher one. Yeah. And this one. Yeah, that's pretty cool to me. Stop that right here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Need to turn that off and restart it. I'm sure there's another way to do that, but this one's easiest for me. Hope it's not turning. There you go. It wasn't turning on for a second. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's do a little song first, just to review it. Yep, there you go. Pretty cool. That key don't work, so I can't really do that song. Well, I think this thing's pretty cool. There's like a whole bunch of different tones and stuff. Here, let's try this. In the piano section, let's do X fade. That kind of sounds cool. So the code is BBDD. That's pretty cool how it gives off a little tone before it does it. A lot of pianos don't do that. That's pretty sick, bro. Okay. So this thing's like a really, I might be wrong about this, but I think this piano is like really old. It looks old by itself, so I really don't think it was made in the 2000s, but it's so cool. Yeah, there's like a whole bunch of different ones, so let's try a different one. How about something in the brass section? A toy trumpet, that sounds fun. So it's BACD. That's pretty cool too. It's like a bunch of different ones. You can change the tempo, which is... all these buttons are like really weird. It doesn't feel like buttons. It just feels like it's a design, like a sticker. But you can like change the tempo of it. Sounds like one of those old-fashioned phones and stuff, like the ringtones. Let's change it. Might change like probably the tone. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Well, I don't really know what else to say about this, other than it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Let's do a little bit of a demo to end the video. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Bye, guys.